Don't release the dog.
In this newly released police body camera video, you can hear a state trooper repeatedly warning a local officer.
Do not release the dog with his hands up.
But despite Jadarius D. Rose appearing to surrender to authorities, the K9 officer still unleashed the dog on the unarmed black man.
Get the dog off of him!
In this edited body cam video released by the Ohio State Highway Patrol, the 23-year-old cries out as officers move in. State police say the disturbing July 4th incident outside Columbus, Ohio, came after an attempted traffic stop